Jamie from Fourth Dimension Planner. Today I want to show you how to change the theme color on PowerPoint in relatively easy way. Unfortunately, PowerPoint still doesn't have adding the color to the theme color in an easy way. So you have to tediously actually have to go through the one by one, adding the color one by one. But that's the best way and the easiest way to change the template from this already for PLR and into something a little prettier. So this is the template I'm going to use today. Planner and journal, and this is, as you can see, very plain template, rather boring, and it's designing basic colors that comes with the PowerPoint default color. So this is what you can do. Instead of changing each page, you can add a page and then pick a color and then change the default theme color into this PowerPoint, each one of them. So this is what you can do. You can design 8 squares in a new page. Don't use regular page because you don't want to mess it up. And then you can add background picture like this. I chose this very pretty hydrangea watercolor. And then what you can do is pick each color, each square with each colors. So what you can do is, I already filled 6 of them. So what you can do next is eyedropper and pick next color. Probably this one's pretty. And next color. And something a little different. Oh, how about this? And this color is very similar to this one, so let's change that to something else. Like, how about that, or something more blue, or yeah, darker blue like that. That would be good. So what you can do is go to design and choose this second window, not this big one, but second window, and go to color and go to custom colors. I already started to fill it up with those colors, custom 20. Now this is not what I want. Actually, I want custom. I already started to fill out some of them. Custom, that one. Yes. So I can add colors to custom 19. And what you can do is go to each one of them, add colors. And you've already chosen a color. So what you have to do is go to the square and click the color and more colors and copy this hex code and go to colors and customize colors and add this color to this color and go to more colors and paste Control V and copy the hex code and hit OK. So you can do, and then save And again, do the same thing with other squares too. And I go to more colors, copy, and go to colors again, customize colors, and this time okay, so save. Now, what happens is all the squares you chose, you have to choose one of those colors, otherwise it won't change when you choose the template. So when you design the base template, what you can do is design with those base colors or one of those colors rather than picking up from those. So that's what you can do. Look how much prettier it got. It was very boring orange before, and now it's different colors. You can also change it to other colors as well by doing that and doing and go to table design, and you can pick the shade you like from those colors. It's so much easier, and then now you can design everything in your theme color, just like that. Isn't that pretty? And it was so much easier too. It was a little tedious to choose the color, those setting your own theme color, but once you're done, it is so much easier. And I hope you can try that as well. If you have any questions, please let me know. Leave the comment and don't forget to like the video. Thank you.